Guys, I just wanted to come and do a quick show and tell and a quick initial review of this hair from Fantasy Hair. Their store is on Amazon Prime. If you did not know that, wigs, bundles, closures, frontals are sold on Amazon Prime. Now you need to go get your life and go check out Fantasy Hair on Amazon Prime. I've made it easy for you. Just go to bit.ly/fantasy hair, all caps. So Fantasy Hair is in all caps, bit.ly in lowercase. Okay. So, details on this hair. I ordered this hair late night, Friday night, like around 11 p.m. Via Amazon Prime. This is a 1B 27 ombre full lace wig. So not a 360 wig, not a lace front wig. It's a full lace wig. And the hair is Brazilian body wave hair, and I show you in the link exactly how the wig looks in the image. And I colored it. I had to bleach the knots. I didn't have any issues bleaching the knots whatsoever. It took the color well. I'm going to attach pictures because the true blue isn't showing through. You're seeing like the gray silver undertones, but this is Shark Blue by Ion. If you want me to do a coloring video or a video on how I achieved this color, color confessions, comment below and let me know. But it took the color well. I had to color it 3 times though, not because it wasn't taking the color, but because I didn't know what I was doing. It was my first time working with cream color, and I had blonde blotches because I wasn't getting up in hair. So I finally saw that, but I'll talk about that later in the color video. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Their customer service, guys, was really good. When I contacted them, I had a question because I was going to get a completely different wig. That's my 3-month-old and my 4-month-old and my 3.5-year-old in the background if you hear noises. When I contacted them, I had a question, and I thought that it's going to take them like maybe 24 hours to get back to me. No. They got back to me within 30 minutes and answered all the questions that I had. Customer service was really good. I received the wig quickly, and I ordered it, like I said, late night Friday, and I had this here via FedEx by Tuesday morning at 10 a.m. Tuesday morning. I did a length check, and it did pass the length check. You'll see that in the other clip. And I really like the hair. It took the color well. It feels good. I haven't experienced any tangling or shedding whatsoever. This is day 5 of me wearing this hair, but I will come back and do a 2-week review or 2-week update just to let you know how it's going on. But so far so good. So the pros about this hair is that it's quality hair. The customer service was on point. The length check was good. All that good stuff. I only have a couple of cons. The hair was 180% density, which is really good, meaning it was really full. But the hairline was extremely thick, and that could be a good and a bad thing. Good if you have a thick hairline too and you want to customize it. As I was saying, a pro being the hairline being thick is a pro because you can customize it to your hairline, but a con, it takes a long time to customize a really thick frontal, and if you don't customize it, it's not going to look natural if you try to rock that straight out the box. That's just not a good look at all. Now, another con can be the fact that the pictures when you go on their website are pictures of popular wig designers. You'll notice the pictures, and a lot of companies do this, not just this company. But if you scroll through, you'll see the picture of the actual wig, how it's going to look. And the reason why I can say that can be a con to some people is that people think that that's how the wig is going to look when they take it out. And it's like, no, you got to put in work. Even with synthetic hair, you'll see the picture on the model, but you have to work the wig to make it fit you or to achieve the style that you like, if you get what I'm saying. But I just wanted to put that out there to be honest with you guys, because I know there's some wig newbies and they would really buy that thinking, okay, oh, I'm gonna get it straight out the box. That hairline is gonna look just like that. The style is gonna look just like that. I'm just gonna shake and go. No, it doesn't work like that. And the last con was that when I was styling the unit, I noticed that it had a couple of beard hairs. And when I say beard hairs, I mean those really short hairs sticking out, which it was easy for me to remove. I just took the eyebrow razor and was able to remove it. But I know some people don't care for beard hairs, but once again, it's not like the beard hairs were trying to fill the unit. This unit is really full. I think it's the technique that was used to create the unit instead of a single knot method or a double knot method. I think some areas probably had the split knot method. That would explain the beard hairs. I don't know, but I was able to get rid of them, so they're no longer a problem. But I would recommend this hair. Reason I did this video is because there's Amazon Prime having hair vendors is new. This is recent stuff, so a lot of people are doing videos of the same companies. So I wanted to show you a different company, a new company that you probably haven't heard of before, and let's share my experience with you. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. And as I said, check out bit.ly/fantasyhair and tell my girl that I sent you. I absolutely love this hair, and I love the color. All right, so thank you so much for tuning in. If you have questions, feel free to comment below. If you are not subscribed to my channel, you better get your life and subscribe, honey. What you waiting for? And follow me on Instagram under the Wig Teacher. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Okay, so here I'm showing you how the unit looks straight out of the package. It's a full lace unit, 1B27, ombre, no tracks whatsoever, standard cap. It has an adjustable strap and the 3 combs. So I'm trying it on because this unit is actually a beautiful unit, and the texture is body wave, and it was Brazilian virgin hair. So I really like it. And here I'm giving you a close-up just so that you can see how the hairline looks straight up out of the package. And I'm just brushing through it and playing around with it. Now we're going to do a quick length check because a lot of companies lie, but fortunately this company did not. The unit is 18 inches all over. So I'm happy that they're an honest company when it comes to length. Thanks for watching the review. Be sure to check out Fantasy Hair on Amazon at bit.ly/fantasyhair.